Hello everyone, welcome back to the channels. Today I'm going to tell you how to set any song as alarm sound on Android. If you want to set any song as your alarm sound on your Android phone, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open your clock, just tap on clock widget and then select alarm. As you can see, I have selected. Now you have to enable it, and here you have alarm sound option. Just tap on it, then tap on add new, and here select from your gallery. Here you just have to select. As you can see, I have some songs. Just select one, and I have selected. As you can see, I have selected. Now go back, and here you can see I have selected the song as my alarm sound. So that's how you can set any sounds on your Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.